Hi, welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you a top site you can go. A top site you can go today and start making a good change for yourself. Quickly go to your Chrome browser so I won't consume much of your time. And type in CPAGrip. CPAGrip. I'm now on CPAGrip. Now click on this top information pop up. You can see CPAGrip.com. Now click on that CPAGrip.com. What you sign up? You sign up on this platform. Sign up on this platform. What's your job on this platform? Let me first of all log out. If you don't have an account on this platform, you need to register. On this platform, your main job is to drive traffic, is to drive a specific country traffic to this platform to perform a specific job, to do a specific job. The job might be to download an application. The job might be to just input their email information. The job might be maybe to also share information being shared to them. So now go to this platform. Once you pass once you pass the test given, you will be paid a little change. You'll be paid a little change, such as 0.30 cents, 0.08 cents, 0.01 cent, 0.50 cent, up to $2. There are even some specific job which you can even do on this platform that will be paid up to $3, $4, $5, $6. But it depends on the task given. So let me first of all show you how you can sign up on this platform. I'm very sorry regarding my data. I don't have more data. And number two, again, our data rate here is very slow. Data movement rate here is very slow. So I'm very sorry for consuming much of your time. Still loading. It has started redirecting us. Please allow up to 5 seconds. Let's change it. Since it's not loading. Let me just log in. Let me first of all register first. Let me see if the register button can go this time around. Let's check if we're able to skate through this stage. So if not, we'll just skip it and just log in and show you the dashboard. So next time I'll be showing you how to register on this platform, how to register fully on this platform. Can see it's not going. Don't let me consume much of your time. Let's quickly go back and just log in direct. Now you can see their public chat. You can see countdown as in AA $11,000 for 13 all time with 2,418 lead. CEO on gained $86 today with 1,680 view, 930 clicks. Skit has gained $1,906 all time with 991 leads. Wow, you can see people are killing it on this platform. You can see on what me I just did. I can see I already have one click. See, so I've not done any specific job on this platform, so that's why I will not. Let me show you the petty job. You can see just a game booster. Let people try out this game booster. Once they click on your referral link, you'll be paid what 0.94 cents on this. Look at this job too, Apex Escaping Premium. This is for people in Turkey, this is for people in Holland, and also have people in Get Phone Booster. Once they click on, they input their information, they register, you'll be paid 0.89. That's for South Africa people. Get a chance to even get an iPhone. You can see all this are a sweet product to promote, are a sweet affiliate referral link to promote. I want you to quickly leverage this platform now before the competition becomes high. Thanks. That's just what I intend showing you for the day. Kindly hit the notification bell, the subscribe button, so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop awesome video just like this. Thanks.